Hello everyone, I'm a junior ambassador of Saitama City. Today, I'm going to tell you about famous Japanese food. Look at this picture. It's NIKUJAGA. NIKUJAGA is one of the Japanese homemade dish. It has meat and vegetables stewed with soy sauce and sugar. You can change its taste as you like by putting different quantity of soy sauce and sugar. Which do you like, sweet NIKUJAGA or salty NIKUJAGA? I like the sweet one because I can enjoy the taste and the flavor of meat and vegetables. Here are the ingredients. We need potatoes, onions, carrots, meat, shirataki, the noodle-shaped gelatinous food, soy sauce, and sugar. You can choose chicken, beef, or pork for meat. By the way, why do we call this dish NIKUJAGA? Niku means meat, and jaga means potatoes. NIKUJAGA is the English name for meat and potatoes. The idea is pretty simple, isn't it? Now let's cook NIKUJAGA. First, cut the ingredients into bite-sized pieces like this. Second, put them into the pot and fry them. Third, add the seasoning and simmer for 15 minutes. Done! It has only 3 steps. The traditional Japanese food is easy to cook and delicious to eat. Also, it is well balanced. If you are interested in this video, why don't you make NIKUJAGA? I'm sure you'll be super happy. See you!